Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm recording my huge Canon camera. First time recording, so let's see how this goes. Today I want to talk to you about my birthday present. My birthday was December 19th, and my husband got me my first, was it Leuchtturm bullet journal? I don't know if I'm saying that right. He got this at Barnes & Noble. It's kind of pricey for, you know, me being me. But it's something I've always wanted, but I was just too cheap to ever go out and buy it for myself. So my husband got it for me, so thank you, sweetheart. It is dot grid because I have been finding that I really like bullet journaling, like blank layouts. But what made me cry when I opened this up is this right here. I don't know if it's gonna show on camera. It comes with two ribbon bookmarks, but my husband went out and got two little charms, sewed them on himself, which he does not sew, okay? I don't know if this is like picking it up. Let me see if I can focus. And then on, I don't know if you can also tell, let me zoom in. It has, oh, hold on. It has the initials K and P for Kristeena Plans. And he's like, I got this for you because I know you wanted it and you just won't get it for yourself. And I put the K and P on there for your channel, Kristeena Plans, because I support you and I support your channel and I want it to grow. And guys, I was bawling. I thought that was the sweetest thing. Like, I love like handmade gifts, and the fact that he sewed these on and then he stamped them. It's so, I love it. It's so stinking sweet. So thank you, honey. I love the whole bullet journal, but these little touches is what is my favorite part of this whole journal. Alright, with that being said, I'm not going to show you like the whole like plan with me videos. I've tried that. That's not really me. What I'm going to show you is, because in here I do want to do like a year at a glance. If you don't know what a year at a glance is, it's kind of like a spot where you have all the months of the coming year, which is 2020, and then the dates and where everything falls, so you can see the whole year at a glance, obvious. But I'm not going to show you writing it down and doing all that because I'm not really good at that kind of filming yet. What I am going to show you is a little trick that I'm going to do. I found this in the you know, when you get all of the junk mail, right? And this is something for, it's One Main Financial, but if you can't tell, it has all the months for 2020. It even says on there, year at a glance. So I'm going to use this guy, but this is too thick. So what I'm going to end up doing is kind of stripping the back of it, making the paper thinner. See what I mean? So I already started. I already took the back of that. And all you really have to do is get your nails in there, kind of separate it. I know my thumb's all. And then you peel back. If you feel like, because this side I felt like I was taking too much off, get another corner and just peel it back. And that way, it kind of takes away the bulk of the whole paper, makes it thinner. So that when you, because I will be cutting these out and then gluing them into the journal, it's not super thick and it'll look nice. And you have all your months, all your days there in your journal, and you don't have to write any of them. And this is free because your girl's cheap. It's genius. And you reuse all the little things you get in the mail. I get these a lot from like different people, just, and you can use them in your planner. And I like the color palette too. So let's do that. All right, here's a better close-up. Again, I'm trying to film with this other camera. Sorry about the angles or if it's not focused, but there it is. And I already took the backing off. I mean, you can see through it a little bit. So you know how nice and thin it is. This is all the stuff I took off. I don't need it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this little cutter and I'm going to go in, and I could individually cut them out, which I could use scissors, but yeah, I'm going to individually cut them out. Let's do that. And then clearly I don't know yet how I'm going to lay them out in the journal, so I'm just going to individually cut them all out, little squares, and I'm going to use this guy because it'll just help everything hopefully be straight, squared off, if you know what I mean. So let's go ahead and do that. There you have it. Alright, so quick disclosure, This guy didn't work all that well. I ended up using the scissors. The back of the paper, it's got these like fuzzies. It wasn't working. I don't know if it was because of the fuzzies. I don't know if it was because my blade is kind of dull. So be aware of that. I ended up using the scissors. But look, I have all my months and I just have to figure out how I'm going to lay them out in my journal, my bullet journal. Okay, it's going to be super cute. You know, and that way I have them all there. I don't have to draw, you know, write them out every day. And they're small. I'm just gonna use some glue stick, and once I figure out my layout, put them all in there, and I'll have my year at a glance. So I hope you like this. Oh my gosh, I'm losing them. There we go. It is, you know, is a little bit different than what I've seen, but it is something more accessible, which is what I like. Again, I get these guys in the mail all the time, like little calendars or advertisement with calendars, and I just cut the little calendars out. I throw everything else away and I keep those. If I find a little cute design in the ads, I'll keep that, because you always find good stuff. You buy magazines, do the same thing. You know, you don't really have to go out and buy stickers or look online, or if you really look, most of the stuff that you get in the mail, there's stuff in there. You just have to look, and it's free. It's free, guys. It's free. Just use it, cut it up. You can use it for a bullet journal, your Filofax, anything. Trust me. They're really cute, and I can't wait to use them. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found some sort of inspiration, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.